Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen follows Elizabeth Bennet, who initially dislikes the wealthy and proud Mr. Darcy. Over time, she learns of his true color, while Darcy also overcomes his prejudice against her family. The story includes romantic misunderstandings, particularly with Mr. Wickham, but eventually Elizabeth and Darcy find mutual love and understanding. The novel explores themes of class, marriage, and personal growth, concluding with their marriage based on respect and genuine affection. Pride and Prejudice teaches moral and philosophical lessons about how pride and prejudice can hinder meaningful relationships and highlights the importance of humility, self-awareness, and empathy in overcoming biases while also critiquing rigid class distinction and emphasizing that true love requires seeing beyond superficial differences. Pride and Prejudice is a classic romantic comedy by Jane Austen that examines themes of love, class, and personal growth. The story centers on the challenges created by Mr. Darcy's pride and Elizabeth Bennet's prejudice, which is stand in the way of their relationship. Through self-reflection and development, they overcome these flaws, showing that true love involves seeing past biases. The novel continues to be loved for its relatable characters, clever dialogue, and profound understanding of human nature.